Stress headaches are characterized by the feeling of a band around the forehead and tight neck muscles. The pain is steady and sometimes throbbing. When you're stressed, you may unknowingly tighten the muscles of your body, including those in the forehead and neck. By paying attention to this feeling of tightness in your head, you can start treating a headache before it gets worse. One way that you can treat headaches is with essential oils. They're very concentrated essences of plants, and they hold a very high energy level. The energy level of the plant's essential oil is transferred into the person who uses it. Essential oils have many useful properties: antibacterial, antiviral, relaxing, antifungal, detoxifying, and more. Lavender steaming. One way to deal with stress headaches is to add a couple of drops of essential oil of lavender or basil to a bath. How to make a lavender steam bath. 1. Add a few drops of lavender oil to a bowl of hot water. 2. With a large bath towel, make a tent for yourself by covering your head and the bowl with the towel. 3. Breathe in the steam from the bowl. Be careful not to knock over the bowl. By breathing in the steam for about 5 minutes, you'll feel instantly relaxed, and your face will look revitalized too. Lavender Tea Compress. Lavender can also be made into a compress and applied to the neck or forehead to enhance your relaxation. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon lavender flowers, 1 cup boiling water, 1 hand towel. Instructions: cover the lavender flowers with the boiling water. Strain the liquid, and soak the hand towel in it. Wring out and apply warm or cool as desired to the affected region.